got his ass in. There he is, from there to there.
Oh, he's it. Okay, and then can you go close to his face? Not that cookie. Oh, look how beautiful it is. So we've changed our name to Cindy and Graham Explore. We're exploring with Jaunti, and we're going around South Africa slowly but beautifully. Storm we've just had. Oh wow, in Bloemfontein. Yeah, can't even see the haze out there. Yeah.
So this is the damages after the hail yesterday. All the tree leaves all over the show. Our little tiny car, our dinky toy is now gone Apache style, camouflage. Anyway, can take that off.
Okay, so Graham, what you doing now?
It's a little less possible.
You're DIYing again. And you're DIYing this piece of...
This piece of material,
Yes.
so that it fits with poprivets there,
Yeah.
like that.
Okay.
So it's called a skirt that goes underneath the carpet here.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
I need to put little...
So Graham's just sorting out how to put this little pop rivet or the little button into. He's already done the pop rivet, sorry. He's already done them all along here. It's so nice to have a DIY, man. What's happening now, Graham?
We're putting this lower skirt on under the van so that the wind doesn't blow through here. You can see I've started here.
Yeah.
This is going to go like that, and this is going to go over there.
Oh, yes.
It'll
It
be
looks
nice.
so neat.
Yeah.
Wow. It's
And
like when you're in a caravan.
you can see I've put these on.
Yeah.
I put double here, and I'm going to put double there. But I need to split it there.
Oh, for
and
the
there,
step.
for
Okay.
the step to come out.
Okay. Fantastic, babe.
I think it's going to look
Yeah,
nice.
lovely.
It's actually been a piece of double here.
Oh,
I think it'll be alright. Just need to get some grease here. Just got it riveted over inside. Like that.
okay. Perfect. Is that it?
That one.
Oh.
Well, this is the split of the step.
Fantastic, babe. Fantastic. This is my condensed milk Vietnamese drink.
Vietnamese.
I'm in Vietnam.
Wow, we're in Vietnam.
And then that's Graham, he's here in South Africa in Bloemfontein.
I'm having a cappuccino in Bloemfontein.
So, our favourite cut in half. Look at Graham's, I'm changing it and getting this big piece.
I'm going to give you this piece.
No man, I'm joking.
It's missing off yours.
And here we go, DIY again. Graham just fixed that fan there. It wasn't working. Something transpired, and it's been so hot at night. Then we have these two fans in our bedroom area. There's the fan lying there. Graham's working on it. He has to solder something. He's just tested it, and it is working. We can have some air on us at night. Graham, you are the DIY man.
Yeah,
Okay.
they call me the DIY man. There was a little module in there that was broken off, so I've just tie wrapped it up.
Yeah,
Needs a lot more work, but it'll get us through the summer.
yeah.
these little fans here,
Yeah.
the blade is like
yeah.
a thin piece of aluminium, almost foil.
Oh,
And it was
okay.
doing this.
Yes.
So making the motor do that, and the wire on it, and it vibrated the wire off.
Yeah.
I'm going to solder it on now. That's why I
Yeah.
put the soldering stuff here.
Okay, and I'll just clean the fan so it's all nice and clean.
Yeah.
Actually, the dust, we can see by that, when we clean that fan up there, how the dust we showed in another video. The dust that is around, hey? That comes in here.
It's full of dust in this area.
No,
It's a
but
very
all areas.
It's a very,
All areas.
yeah, it's a very dirty area, the air. That's what I said the other day, ambient air.
Yeah.
Houston, we have a problem.
Somewhere there's no continuity and I can't figure out where it is. Oh, come on.
Oh, nothing, man.
What? Okay, so the fan's working. Cleaned it, polished.
Beautiful.
I just need to wedge that thing so that it stays on because it comes loose. These are
Yes.
terrible ideas,
Yeah.
these.
Okay.
But yeah, it does go on and there's a switch on the back that switches it off.
Yeah.
See, it goes off. Wind's blowing a bit here.
Okay.
And switch it on.
Okay. Fantastic. Thanks, Graham. Cool at night now.
Cool.
This is me walking down to the river at River of Joy. Fantastic caravan park. Right just before Bloemfontein, coming from Clarence side. Beautiful big tree. And they keep the beautiful gardens here so beautiful. It's called the Moda River. We had such a hailstorm, which you saw before this last night. You can also hear lions roar sometimes, now and again. They above, beyond the river on the other side. It's so gorgeous to hear. This is when we wish we had a fishing rod. You know, Graham was a specimen angler, so he got rid of all his gear, but we just need an ordinary fishing rod. They're flippin' expensive, so we haven't got one yet. We're gonna have chicken legs tonight. Oh, lovely. I haven't had chicken legs for a long time.
Oh yeah, see that.
Yeah, so just, you know, we eat little, you know, so we just enjoy. Yeah, so this is how you cook my chicken legs. And then in here we have the one pot wonder. It's rice, it looks rice and butternut.
Oh, butternut. Yummy.
Yeah, anyway, that's it.
Looks very nice. Lekker, man.
We're gonna,
So here's supper that we did just now.
I'm nearly finished,
And
man.
Cindy's nearly finished hers. She's very hungry. Yeah, it looks nice. And
It's a
tastes
very different dinner. It's like a, I don't know, not a roast.
good. No, but it's a nice
make do.
leg and everything.
We still got 2 coconuts left. Graham's got to open for me, promised here.
Ready? Here we go.
That noise. How do you open it? Oh, you look like you're peeing. So this looks like the seed. I've left it too long, but I'm going to eat that side. How do you open this on an island? That's my question. Has it also got a seed in?
That good enough?
Yeah, thanks, babe. Oh, wow. I'm going to eat some coconuts, my last 2.
Okay.
Cheers, guys, from Cindy and Graham Explore.
Hi there, everybody. I think this is about where we're going to end the video because it's quite an intense one. There's a whole lot of different things, but that's what we do here. So with saying that, I think...
Can I interject a minute?
Yeah.
I just want to give a few tiny facts of Bloemfontein. I'm just going to read a few. It's known, Bloemfontein is the capital of the Free State,
Yeah.
known as the City of Roses.
Hmm.
Its history is marked by its role as an independent republic, the Boer War, and the birthplace of major political parties. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
The ANC started here, and the NP
Okay.
back in the day. So a Major Henry Douglas Warden as a British fort and an administrative centre. It was initially part of the Orange River Sovereignty.
Yeah.
In 1846 he founded sort of this area. Boer Republic capital, and in 1854 until the British occupation in 1900. It's a judicial capital. I know there's the Supreme Court of Appeal. I know there's a beautiful university. I don't know what it's called, but it's a university. Okay, and then also Bloemfontein sits in the center of South Africa.
How about that?
Yeah.
In the middle of the door.
Yeah, I think that's quite interesting. So I don't know if I give good facts, but anyway, I'll get better.
Okay, so
Okay.
with saying all that, I think now we can end this video. And thank you, Cindy. That was quite educational.
Little
Let's see what everybody thinks about that. Guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you can. We love that.
If you haven't already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we catch you next Sunday. Enjoy.
God
Bye.
bless. Bye-bye.